Hi, I'm Paul Holofko. Today we're going to be learning how to quickly reduce your pH level in your hydroponic system. Alright, generally the pH level in your hydroponic system is used to be able to allow plants to absorb nutrients. So here's a natural way to do this. What we're going to do is use white vinegar. That actually is an acid and reduces it. If you want to increase your pH, then you just use baking soda. So what we have here is we have a pH meter and a bucket of water. If we stick the probe in here, you'll see it's 7.4. All right. Now, the other trick is to know your parts per million. In this case, I have a parts per million or EC count meter. You can get this in any type of hydroponic store. Right now it's showing 0. I put it in here and it shows around 436. All right. For 2 gallons, I'm using 1 shot glass, which is basically 1 ounce of vinegar, and it'll change the pH of your system. So let's do this. Let's slosh it around a little bit. Okay, we were at 7.4 or something like that before. Now we change it, and we are now, even with that 1 shot glass, we're down to 4.4 for your pH. So that changes that much. So for instance, if you want to change your pH of 1 gallon of water, I would only put in a couple tablespoons of vinegar. However, there's a limit. Your parts per million, when you put it in here, your parts per million will go up. 459 for parts per million. When your parts per million count gets over 400, you really need to clean your entire system out because you have too many salts in your water. But also you can control your pH easier when your parts per million is lower.